Let's break down the details of each unit of time. 1 nanosecond equals 1 nanosecond. 1 microsecond equals 1000 nanoseconds. 1 millisecond equals 1000 microseconds. 1 second equals 1000 milliseconds. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 3600 seconds. 24 hours, 1 day, equals 86,400 seconds. This chart illustrates the progression of time units, starting from nanoseconds, a very small unit often used in computing and electronics, and increasing in magnitude to hours, which is a larger unit used in daily life. Minute. A minute is a unit of time equal to 60 seconds. Hour. An hour is a unit of time equal to 60 minutes. 3. Day. A day is the time it takes for the Earth to complete one rotation on its axis, approximately 24 hours. Example: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. 4. Month. A month is roughly the time it takes for the Moon to complete one orbit around the Earth. There are 12 months in a year. Example: January, February, March, etc. Year. A year is the time it takes for the Earth to complete one orbit around the Sun, approximately 365.25 days. Example: 2024, etc. Decade. A decade is a period of 10 years. Example: the 1980s, 1980 to 1989, and the 2010s, 2010 to 2019, are examples of decades. Each unit of time is a way of measuring and organizing the passage of time on different scales. Hours and minutes are useful for short-term measurements, days and months help organize events and activities, and years and decades provide a broader perspective. These calculations assume a standard 60 seconds per minute, 60 minutes per hour, and 24 hours per day. Keep in mind that some months have more or fewer than 30 days, and a year is not exactly 365 days. Here are the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Each month has its own characteristics, holidays, and events associated with it. For example, January is often associated with the start of the new year, and December is known for Christmas celebrations. Some months have varying lengths, with February being shorter except during leap years when it has 29 days. Here are the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These days are part of a repeating cycle, and each day has its own unique characteristics and often specific activities associated with it. For example, many people consider Sunday a day of rest and religious observance, while Saturday is often associated with leisure and social activities. Examples: if you start counting from today, tomorrow will be one more day. After counting 30 days, you've completed 1 month. After counting 12 months, you've completed 1 year. First anniversary, paper. Second anniversary, cotton. Third anniversary, leather. Fourth anniversary, linen. Fifth anniversary, wood. Sixth anniversary, iron. Seventh anniversary, wool. Eighth anniversary, bronze. Ninth anniversary, pottery. 10th anniversary, tin, aluminum. 11th anniversary, steel. 12th anniversary, silk. 13th anniversary, lace. 14th anniversary, ivory. 15th anniversary, crystal. 20th anniversary, china. 25th anniversary, silver. 30th anniversary, pearl. 35th anniversary, coral. 40th anniversary, ruby. 45th anniversary, sapphire. 50th anniversary, gold. 55th anniversary, emerald. 75th anniversary, diamond. Jubilee, diamond. Each material represents the symbol associated with the respective anniversary. The Diamond Jubilee, celebrated on the 75th anniversary, is a significant milestone marked by the enduring strength and beauty of a relationship. What is a leap year? A leap year is a year that is, for the most part, evenly divisible by 4. However, there are exceptions to this rule. 1. If a year is divisible by 100 but not by 400, it is not a leap year. For example, the year 1900 is divisible by 100 but not by 400, so it was not a leap year. 2. If a year is divisible by 400, it is a leap year. For example, the year 2000 is divisible by both 100 and 400, so it was a leap year. The reason for these rules is to make up for the fact that the Earth's orbit around the Sun takes approximately 365.2422 days. To keep our calendar year synchronized with the astronomical year, we add an extra day to the calendar every 4 years, creating a leap year with 366 days instead of the usual 365. This extra day is added to the month of February, making it 29 days instead of 28 in a leap year. Leap years help ensure that our calendar remains in alignment with the Earth's revolutions around the Sun and helps prevent the calendar from gradually drifting out of sync with the changing seasons.